Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. This is an update. This is your Friday update for all things SHIB. Just kind of talk about what's going on and my opinion about where we're going to head from here and what are the next things that are out there for us in the future. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. And if you're interested, check out my Patreon. Links are below. Inner Circle supporter. Inner Circle, you get access to my portfolio, what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling beforehand. You're going to get that knowledge, as well as I give you every week, every Monday, I'm going to be giving you a brand new hot cryptos of the week. These are cryptos that are definitely going to be doing something in the near future. So if that's of interest to you, check it out in the link below. Okay. So here's the thing, guys. SHIB, we got listed on Etoro. And if you didn't know how it's working with the Etoro listing, it just came on, and you buy in increments of 1 million. Okay, so you can't buy like one Shiba Inu. So you buy in increments of 1 million. And so, like, for example, if you were going to go buy on Etoro, and at the current price, you would buy 1 million Shiba Inu, and that would cost you approximately $6.17 and change, minus fees or plus fees and things like that. So that's how it's working over there. And I think that right here, right now, there's been a lot of discussion. I covered this in a video yesterday related to why hasn't SHIB gone up and things like that. And my stance then was I didn't know if it would go up right immediately. There's demand there, absolutely. There is about 20 million, about 18 to 20 million active trading accounts, and so I think that it's one of those things. It's gonna take a little bit of time. I told you in my video yesterday, I was willing to call myself out if the price didn't go out, and I'm calling myself out. The price hasn't gone up like I would have expected it to. There was a piece of content that came out yesterday that specifically was talking about, and I'm trying to figure out if this is in fact real. haven't verified this yet, but there was a piece of information that I saw. Do you guys remember the Vitalik Buterin when he gifted 50 trillion Shiba Inu to the India COVID Relief Fund? You remember that? Okay, and it was worth about $1 billion with a B, $1 billion. Well, there was, as we went, and that was back in May, by the way. As we went along, we were getting reports that they had sold a large amount of that. Okay. Beyond that, and there was only I think we had heard that there was only say 10 trillion left of what, or somewhere like 10 to 15 trillion left of, highest being 20 of what they had left. Well, yesterday, there was a piece of news that came out that said that they've only liquidated about 20 million of it. That's with an M, 20 million, not 20 billion, 20 million. Okay. Which was concerning to me that they hadn't, because we had been getting reports that it was coming. That they had liquidated a large percentage of it. Okay, so I'm working to find out, guys, if that is in fact true. I can't. Again, there was an article that came out that was like, I was like, what? I can't believe that this, I'm seeing this, right? And so, so that's out there. Beyond what I just told you, I can't really give you any more information, whether it's true or not. Has it happened? Hey, y'all drop in the comments. Let me know if y'all have heard something beyond what I haven't. There's thousands of you guys that are going to watch this video. So maybe one of you guys have seen that or heard something or like that, okay? But regardless, that might be having an impact on the price. I'm not real sure at this point in time because we should be going up a little bit. I mean, the market's flat. I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum's not doing anything. I mean, right here, right now, okay? But I want, but SHIB, is just continuing to do this, right? It's continuing to just, continuing to go sideways. Now, the overall market is flat. Again, you know me, I'm a market follower. I follow the market trends and things like that. I think we're going to be flat for a little bit. But right here, right now, I mean, we should have gotten a little bit higher movement for SHIB out of the eToro thing. Now, when you bring an asset online to to like an eToro, it can take time for the people to kind of start really getting into it and things like that. Okay. To wrap up, some final thoughts. It's a situation where you guys know me. I don't pull any punches with you guys. I don't pull any punches. I call it like it is. And a lot of you guys have been dropping in the comments, and I appreciate that. It's truly that, and having kind of discussions related to kind of this is a long-term hold. And I think that, and I've always said that. I believe that SHIB is a long-term hold, and that the short-term things, the short-term gains are kind of going to be minimized by the long-term opportunities, especially with everything that Shiba Inu is building, their ecosystem, the swap, and the continued downstream things to come development. And I've said this as well. It feels like Shiba Inu has kind of become a little bit of a sleeping giant, just kind of like Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin is really a sleeping giant. You can see it right here. It's not doing anything really either, right? It's just kind of staying pat. And I feel like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are kind of sleeping giants, and when we get back to major bull runs across the entire market, I believe that we will continue to go up. And yes, I believe additionally, because I've said it and I'm going to continue to say it, I think that we will continue to go up as we bring the catalyst, especially all of the exchanges, which brings new retail investment money in. The Etoro thing, again, I'm willing to call myself out, so you don't have to call me out in the comments below. The Etoro thing has not translated into a noticeable, massive retail investment that has moved the price. It has not. It has not transpired yet. I think we need to give it some time and to see how it'll go. But when I'm looking at the overall market and I'm going, Dogecoin's not moving, nothing's moving, and SHIB's not moving, it feels like everything's asleep. And so that's kind of where I'm at right this second in relation to SHIB, and I still believe in it. There's nothing, this is not me hedging my bets. This is me having an honest conversation with you related to SHIB, and me. This is not me like, it's like, Austin, he's not willing to give us a yes or no answer. Yes, I am actually. I just think that there's not enough information right here, right now. I think that SHIB is just kind of staying where it's at. But I always come back to the fact that everything is, Dogecoin is, and all that kind of stuff. And I'm wondering if this India COVID relief thing is part of the equation. And I'm just kind of, I'm looking at it like you guys and kind of scratching my head and going, there should be some movement here. There should be more transpiring. But then I also, I kind of look at it in the context of kind of everything else is kind of not really moving anything right now, okay? And that's where I'm at right this second, okay? Still a believer, still doing the thing, still here. I haven't left the building. I know that there's some people here on YouTube who've quit covering Shiba. I'm not one of them. I'm going to continue to talk about it because I believe in it, and I believe in everything around it, and I believe, but you guys know, I cover other coins. I cover other tokens, other coins. I cover Ethereum. I cover XRP, Cardano, Polygon. I've always told you all along, you should have a diversified investment strategy, right? You should not be just in SHIB. You should have some Bitcoin, Ethereum. You've heard me say this a million times. So that's still the case, right? And so that's how I look at it. Okay. So again, I wanted to just have a dialogue with you and kind of tell you what I'm thinking and what I'm feeling and what I'm seeing right here, right now. And let's see how it continues to unfold. Genuinely, truly, thank you for your support, and y'all take it easy, and I'll see you later.